what's up everybody? So before I show you guys the seat and how it came out and what option I chose, let me show you how dirty my truck is. And there's a reason behind that. I didn't have my seat. I dropped it off. If y'all saw the last video, the guy said 1 week, right, to get it back. Well, it actually took like about a month, and I don't blame the guy. I mean, things happen, and he said that he got sick and then he had a lot of work. He was backed up. I understand how that goes because he's a one-man show, so he doesn't have any help, which he should, because I mean, it looks like he has a lot of work, but to each his own, you know. Yeah, he said he was sick, he was backed up, so I would call him and he'd like, hey, tengo mucho trabajo, me enfermé, me puse malo, y no, pues está bueno, y pues no tenía asiento en la troca, entonces no la podía mover, nomás la tenía estacionada ahí por casi ya un mes. Y por está toda polvosa, llena de telarañas y todo. Pero whoever thought that I got option number 1 on the seat, you're right. I felt this one was more like the original look to it, more original feel to it. The other one is really nice, but I didn't want to, I don't know, I didn't really want to go with that one. I like this one. I mean, this one still has a little slope to it, like that. And it goes well, all black with black carpet, a black padding, black visors, the door panels, and now the seat. Originally, I just wanted it like this kind of material, similar, but he added some perforation to it, which is pretty cool. I like it. It looks a little bit more modern, has a modern feel to it. I'm happy with it. I mean, he charged me $250 for the seat. That's including the new padding on it and toda la tela in work. And now I feel like I'm sitting up. Antes I would sit like this is my point of view now, right? I could see like this. Well, here's what I see. Back then, when there was low, I would sit and I'll come like this. And now I could see like this. I get a good point of view now. So I'm happy with it. I think it looks good. Maybe later on I'll probably change out the carpet, because if you can see right here, it looks kind of faded. But for right now, I'm gonna just roll like that. I need to wash the truck. I brought my soap and my bucket and all that to wash it. See how dirty it is. Now let me show you the engine, because también está sucio. It's all dusty. And I'm thinking of changing out this battery, this Optima. I've had them before, but for some reason they always lose charge whenever you leave a car sitting for a while. Like this one, it was sitting for a few weeks, right? And when I tried to start it, there was no charge to it. It was dead. So I had to get some jumper cables, and it turned on. Like, I think if you use them constantly, you'll be fine. But I've had them in my other old schools, and every time I'll leave them parked for like 2 or 3 weeks, they'll have no charge. And with like regular batteries, I never had that issue. Like on my dually, that battery's been on there since I got it, and that one sits for a long time, and I can go now and turn it on and it's gonna start. But yeah, I might have to get the wheels polished. I don't think they're gonna polish like really badass like the billet wheels, like intros and stuff like that. Oh, by the way, I'm missing the lug nut, but I need to clean them up because they are pretty greasy, brake dust on them. I need to clean the truck. I bought this badge for it already. I have the badge for the tailgate. What's up, man? And this mirror is all broken, so I bought a replacement for it. Oh, here goes the badge. I had to buy them in a pair. They only sell them by the pair. Let me put the camera down. But now that I brought it home, now that I brought it and got it here, I feel like it looks way too new compared to the other one on the driver's side. So I might have to go back and buy another one so I can have both of them looking the same, because then this one's gonna be looking like spanking new and the other one all oxidized already and weathered and todo sucio. But this one comes with the screws and the rubber, the little seal. It was $45. But yeah, let me wash the truck because this thing is filthy. Did y'all see how black that water was coming out? It was nasty. Now the tires actually look black. They don't look brown anymore. Ahora sí ya quedó bien limpia. Pues más o menos, no soy un detallista, pero a como estaba. Como está ahorita limpia, da una buena idea. Ahorita la vamos a calar a ver si jala con las dos o con una. A ver si quema o no quema. Primer ya vas. Ahorita lo voy a decir a Picture a ver si me ayuda a grabarla. It's already recording right there. Yo pensaba que se me acabó todo el gas. Yo pensaba que se me acabó el gas. Porque mira, Está casi empty. Yo creo eso, pero ahí anda. A ver cómo quedó la llanta. Está un poco gastadilla. But yeah, está. Time to head out because it's hot. I've been outside for a good minute and I'm already sweating. I'm gonna try to keep up with some more videos this time. And thanks for everybody that's been watching and they keep up. And thanks for watching, everybody.